Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. Do you think a ship without a captain can sail successfully through a storm? The same applies to businesses. Leadership is the captain who steers the ship towards success, especially during growth and expansion. In this lecture, we will talk about how leadership styles and decision making impact business growth. After completing this lecture, you will be able to understand the role of leadership in business expansion, learn about different leadership styles, discover how decision making influences growth. Leadership is the backbone of any growing business. Leaders provide direction, inspire teams, and make critical decisions. They shape the company's culture and influence how employees approach challenges. For example, Elon Musk's leadership at Tesla demonstrates the power of vision and persistence. His bold goals and innovative ideas have driven the company to lead the electric vehicle industry. Leaders like Musk understand that growth requires clear goals and the ability to adapt. Imagine a business as a ship navigating through uncharted waters. Leadership is the captain who decides the direction, motivates the crew, and ensures the ship stays on course. Without a capable captain, the ship may drift aimlessly or face disasters. Good leadership ensures the ship not only stays afloat but also reaches its destination. Different leadership styles can influence how a business grows. Let's explore a few key styles. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate their teams to achieve extraordinary results. They focus on innovation and change. For instance, Jeff Bezos of Amazon encouraged his team to think big and take risks, leading to the company's expansion into various markets. Democratic leaders involve their teams in decision making. They value input from employees and create a collaborative work environment. A good example is Google, where team collaboration fosters creativity and innovation. Autocratic leaders make decisions independently and expect their teams to follow instructions. While this style can be effective in urgent situations, it may stifle creativity. Steve Jobs often used a more authoritative approach to ensure Apple's products met his high standards. Servant leaders prioritize the needs of their team members. They focus on employee growth and satisfaction, which leads to higher performance. Starbucks' Howard Schultz emphasized taking care of employees, resulting in a strong company culture and loyal customers. Each style has its strengths and weaknesses. The most effective leaders adapt their approach based on the situation and goals. Good decision making is critical for growth. Leaders must analyze situations, weigh options, and choose the best course of action. Poor decisions can lead to setbacks, while smart decisions drive success. Take Blockbusters for example. The company ignored opportunities to embrace digital streaming, while Netflix made bold decisions to invest in this area. Netflix's forward thinking approach allowed it to dominate the market, leaving Blockbuster behind. Leaders also need to involve their teams in the decision making process. Collaborative decisions often lead to better results because they include diverse perspectives. Leadership and decision making go hand in hand. A good leader makes informed decisions that align with the company's goals. They communicate these decisions effectively to their teams, ensuring everyone works towards the same objectives. For example, Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, combined her visionary leadership with strategic decision making to expand the company's product portfolio. Her focus on healthier snacks and beverages helped PepsiCo grow in new directions. Choose a leader from any field, business, sports, or politics. Write a one-page report explaining their leadership style and how it contributed to their success. Include examples of significant decisions they made. In summary, leadership is essential for business growth. Different styles, such as transformational or democratic leadership, have unique impact on how businesses expand. Decision making is equally important as it shapes the direction of growth and success. Let's discuss. What leadership styles have you observed in people around you? Which style do you think is most effective for growth? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.